Right now at 5:30, finding hope in the war on prescription drug abuse. Tonight, a groundbreaking new approach that doesn't involve prosecution. Good evening, I'm Christine Johnson.
And welcome back. I'm Maurice Dubois. Some drug abusers on Staten Island may never have to spend a day in jail.
It's part of a new program called Heroin Overdose Prevention and Education. CBS 2's Jessica Moore has the story. New at 5:30.
For Anne-Marie Perotto, the opioid epidemic ravaging Staten Island is personal.
The most that I miss is his hugs, because when he hugged me, he did it from his heart.
Christopher Perotto was a straight-A student and high school athlete. He started taking pain medicine after a car crash until an accidental overdose killed him in April 2011. He was 22 years old.
He took me. He took a part of me. He took my heart.
In 2015, Staten Island had the highest rate of overdose deaths across all 5 boroughs.
It's an epidemic that has really become a plague.
Today, the Richmond County District Attorney joined police and public health officials announcing a new program called HOPE, designed to stop those statistics in their tracks.
This program will direct low-level drug offenders to community-based health services instead of jail and prosecution.
Offenders are given 7 days after arrest to enroll in a treatment center and another 30 to fully engage in recovery. If they show meaningful engagement, they won't face prosecution, and the early results are promising. Since the program's launch on January 17th, 28 drug offenders have been offered HOPE, and 7 of them have done so well in the program, the DA has decided to drop the charges against them. One of the program-approved rehab facilities is called Christopher's Reason on the South Shore. Perotto opened the clinic in November 2016 as a way of making sure no other family has to live with the loss of a child.
You have to educate them on the disease. You have to love them. You have to show them their self-worth and that it can be done. And that's what I'm doing. If he had the help that he needed and this program was around, he would still be here.
And it's the thought of her son motivating Perotto to ensure other mothers live with their children and not just with their memories. On Staten Island, Jessica Moore, CBS 2 News.
This program is limited to drug users arrested for the first or second time with no outstanding warrants. The district attorney says that drug dealers will never be eligible, as his office actively works to get dealers off the street and in prison.